डायग्राम दिखी नहीं, सॉरी, ये वाला आपको कंसेप्ट जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन की वो आपको सुनने में आया या नहीं आया? ओ, अच्छा ठीक है, अब आपको दिख रहा है? आई डोंट नो क्या हो गया था। हाँ चलो इसको देख लेते हैं जल्दी से। एक्चुअली ये मैंने सारा एक्सप्लेन किया, आई डोंट नो क्या हो गया था, मैं एक्सप्लेनेशन में लग गई। ठीक है चलो देख लेते हैं। IoT reference architectures and deployment and operational view. Okay, so the deployment and operational view, these are the important concept in order to address how the actual system can be realized by selecting some technologies and making them communicate and operate in a comprehensive way. This view depends upon the actual use case requirement. In order to explain the deployment and operational view, here is the example given of a parking lot management system. Okay, in this parking lot management system, there are basically two sensors used, #1 and #2, and each of these sensor is connected to the 8 car presence sensor. Okay, these sensors are also connected to the payment station through a wireless or wired communication. The payment station, it can act as both the user interface in order for the device to pay and get a payment receipt, as well as the communication gateway that connects the two sensor nodes and the payment interface physical devices with the internet through the WAN. Okay, the payment station, here the payment station which is connected to the sensor node through a wired or wireless communication. These payment station act as both the user interface for the device to pay and get a payment receipt of that parking system, uh, as well as a communication gateway that connects the two sensor nodes and the payment interface physical devices with the internet through the WAN, wide area network. The occupation sign also act as a communication gateway for the actuator node, and we assume that because of the deployment, as it provides a direct connection to the payment station, is not feasible. The physical gateway devices connect through the WAN to the internet and towards a data center where the parking lot management system software is hosted as one of the virtual machines on a platform as service configurations. There are two main applications connected to this management system, one as the human user mobile phone application and other as the parking operation center application. Okay, so basically in this whole parking lot management system, there are two applications that can be used in order to manage this parking lot system. One is the human user mobile phone application and other is the parking operation center application. With the help of these two applications, the whole parking lot management system is handled. There are two of the sensor nodes, and these sensor nodes are connected to the 8 car presence sensors. These sensors are also connected to the payment station with a wireless or wired communication. Then that payment station through which the sensor nodes are connected, it acts as a user interface to pay, it act as a user interface as a device to pay and to get a payment receipt. And these payment station can also act as a communication gateway which connects the two sensors nodes as well as the payment interface physical device, the device which we can use to the device which we can use to pay and to get a payment receipt. So this payment station, it can also act as a communication gateway that connects the sensor nodes and the payment interface physical devices, and it can be connected or communicated through the internet with the WAN, means wide area network. Then after that, occupation sign, which can act as a communication gateway for the actuator node, as we assume that because of the deployment, a direct connection to the payment station is not feasible. Okay, the physical gateway devices connect through the WAN to the internet and towards a data sensor where the parking lot management system software is hosted. Physical gateway devices, that are connected to through the WAN in order to connect to the internet towards a data center. A data center where this whole parking lot management system software is hosted, and it is hosted as a virtual machine on a platform as configuration, as service configuration, a platform that provides the services. So this whole parking lot management system software which is hosted at the data sensor, and that data sensor is connected to the internet through the WAN with the physical gateway devices. Okay, then at the end, there are mainly two applications that are connected to manage the whole parking lot system. One was the human user mobile phone application, and other was the parking operation center application. Okay, एक छोटा सा ही कंसेप्ट था, डिप्लॉयमेंट एंड ऑपरेशनल व्यू ऑफ द आईओटी रेफरेंस आर्किटेक्चर। डोमेन मॉडल हम स्टडी कर चुके हैं, डोमेन मॉडल के नोटेशंस, उसके सिमेंटिक्स, उसके अंदर डायग्राम्स का एक्सप्लेनेशन, सारी डिटेल्स, एंड साथ ही साथ हमने एक और टॉपिक कवर किया है, रेफरेंस आर्किटेक्चर का डिप्लॉयमेंट एंड ऑपरेशनल व्यू। ओके, तो ये दो कंसेप्ट जो है वो हमारे क्लियर हो चुके हैं। इंशाल्लाह इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल सी आर्किटेक्चर रेफरेंस मॉडल इन आईओटी एंड द इंफॉर्मेशन व्यू इन आईओटी रेफरेंस आर्किटेक्चर। उसके बाद में हमारा यूनिट 1 जो है वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। दो कंसेप्ट रह गए हैं यूनिट 1 कंप्लीट करने के लिए, तो इंशाल्लाह वो दो कंसेप्ट जैसे ही हमारे हो जाएंगे बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ हमारा यूनिट 1 जो है वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। देन इन द नेक्स्ट मंथ we'll try to complete our next unit 2 एंड यूनिट 3 आपका फिर श्रुति मैम कंडक्ट करने वाले हैं। तो यूनिट 2 हम कोशिश करेंगे कि अगस्त में हमारा यूनिट 2 कंप्लीट हो जाए। यूनिट 2 एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा लेंथी है, यानी बहुत, ये जितना हमने यूनिट 1 अभी स्टडी किए है, यूनिट 1 का 2 to 3 टाइम्स जो है वो यूनिट 2 है। तो यूनिट 2 में हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा और जल्दी से जल्दी टॉपिक्स कवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे। ठीक है, आज जो हमने देखे वो सबको समझ में आया? बिस्मा शौकत, बाकी सोनाली मोहम्मद कहाँ हैं? अभी आ रही थी ना मेरी आवाज? यानी वो डोमेन मॉडल मतलब आपको पूरा वो स्क्रीन शेयरिंग के थ्रू समझ में आ गया? उसके बाद में जब मैंने ये कंसेप्ट स्टार्ट की तो फिर डिसअपियर हो गई थी क्या मैम? ओके ठीक है, पता नहीं क्या होता है कभी नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से। अभी तो समझ में आ गया है ना? तो दो टॉपिक आज कवर किए, इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में। और अब हमारा कल एक लेक्चर है और सैटरडे को एक लेक्चर है, तो वो जो दो कंसेप्ट रह गए हैं वो हम इन 2 दिनों में कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, और फिर एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ हमारा यूनिट 1 कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। देन फ्रॉम द अगस्त विल स्टार्ट अवर यूनिट 2 एंड विल ट्राई टू फिनिश यूनिट 2 इन द अगस्त मंथ। ठीक है, ओके देन, थैंक यू फॉर अटेंडिंग दिस लेक्चर।